Hi everyone, I'm Reiko, Japanese yoga instructor. Let's do yoga together. Ball pose. You can activate your internal organs and improve your spine flexibility through this pose. Lie on your stomach and bend your both knees. Grab your ankles with your hands. Inhale, kick your knees up. If possible, lift your upper body. Keep breathing. Don't overdo. If you have back pain, you can arrange your pose. Open your chest. You can feel motivated, positive, and you feel warm on your hip and back. Exhale, release. Tight pose. Thank you. Ball pose.